So for all of you guys that have your sanders, this is a quick tutorial on how to swap out the paper on the outside of the disc. Now this does not need to be swapped out. I'm just really kind of doing this for your benefit. This is just two-sided tape. I had one of my students, Patreon guys, had contacted me from Fredericton and had tried to use, you know the old paste adhesive you used to use for your discs and stuff. It's not going to work on this. This is ultra high molecular density plastic. You have to use the two-sided tape. Luckily, the strips come with that attached. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up a new strip and I'll install this for you and show you how I do it. Now when these are made up, they're made about 1 inch too long, so it is just peel and stick, two-sided tape. And the real critical thing here is that the sandpaper comes dead flush with that bottom edge. So you just rotate it. Now that, just to give you an example, that sandpaper strip that I took off, so I can do this demo for you, I did at least 12 compensated nuts on that one strip, and I'm sure I could have done another dozen. Yeah, when Rob gave me a call, I thought, okay, well, I'll kind of stop what I'm doing and just show you guys how to do this. Pretty simple job, but you do want to pay attention to detail. So I'm kind of feeling that as I kind of roll it on. This will guarantee that inside cut on your shelf is a perfect 90 degrees. It doesn't even need to be touched up. So when the machine shop made up these discs, I was very specific about making sure that they didn't soften that bottom edge. I have an aerospace industry machine shop that made these up for me and put the 24-foot spherical radius on the top, and I made it clear to Mike over there that we did not want to cant the bottom edge. Now you see there's just a hint of overlap there, and that's what you want. Cut it just a little bit long. We'll make that correction now. Very sharp pair of scissors. Trim that back, and that will do it. And that's it. We have that chuck opened up, and we already have the sander clamped to the table. So just feed that up into the chuck. The 3 jaws of the chuck come down and coincide with the 6-sided hex union. That is the drive. Before you tighten the chuck down, you want to tighten the table up first, because it will come up a little bit as you snug it down. That's it. We're ready to go. Now, while I'm at it, I'll just show you what I did for my dust collection. I have the quick grip clamp, and that serves to suck up all that dust. And this is how we quickly get that nice crisp edge for the fingerboard radius. So I'm holding the flat of the inside up against the UHMD. That's dead flat. It's a machine surface. And then you just gently rock that across. I mean, you see how quickly I make that radius. We're talking like a matter of 4 or 5 seconds. Especially when you got new sandpaper on like this. And that is our radius match.